In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money from anywhere in the world, even space. Coming up. What's up everybody, karmacashflow here, and welcome to the channel where we help you generate endless streams of income by building online businesses. So the other day, I was having a conversation with someone that had booked an appointment with me about how they could make money online. You see, they didn't believe that it was possible for them to make money online. In fact, they didn't think it was possible for anybody to make money online, let alone them and where they lived. After talking with them a while, I actually told them how easy it is to make money online, especially where they were. Now, real quick, before I continue, make sure that you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon. So I mentioned that I used to live in a country called Belize. It's in Central America. And while I was there, I was doing a lot of this online stuff. I was building businesses. I was writing ebooks. I was doing all types of stuff. And I wasn't making any money. I even had courses I was trying to sell, but for a long time, I couldn't make a single dollar online. So I myself could not believe that it was possible. It just wasn't possible in my head. It wasn't possible in my world. And in my head, all of these people that were saying that they were making money were liars. In my head, that's what they were. They were liars. I thought maybe these people have a lot of money that they're spending in advertising. Or maybe they're living in a country like America or England or Australia or something like that. But it couldn't be done by me living in a third world country like Belize. But then one day it happened. I made a whole $5.16 selling an ebook. Finally it happened. Only at that point did I know it was actually possible to make money online. And then I found out the secret of how to make money online. So here's the secret, right? This secret has evaded 99% of people that are online trying to make money online. Want to know what it is? You have to actually try to do it. You see, most people get stuck in what we call paralysis of analysis. This is where someone researches and contemplates and thinks about everything that they could do. And I mean everything under the sun. They analyze and analyze, but they never actually do anything. And that's the secret. It's all about execution. I have a saying, the speed of execution is in direct proportion to your income. Now, I didn't make that up. I actually heard that from Frank Kern, who actually heard it from a man by the name of Eben Pagan. But it's something that I've lived by. I've always tried to execute on things that I like to do and things that I believe are going to get me ahead. Even if you have a bad idea, or even if this product that you're selling is no good, people don't want it, people don't need it. Even if you try to sell something like that, if you try, you will eventually sell it. If I was able to do it, if I was able to do it in a third world country where the internet would go out for 5-6 hours every single day, living in a house where I had no AC, I'm sitting at a plastic table, one of them round plastic tables, on a plastic chair with a laptop that's at that time 5 years old, then you should be able to do it as well. You know, this also brings up a point. I actually saw the other day my daughter watching a YouTube channel. Now, this video was a series called Story Time from Space. It's where astronauts read bedtime type stories to kids, and they're actually up there floating in space inside the International Space Station. And they have a YouTube channel of over 14,000 subscribers. And this channel is monetized, which means they are making money from space. Now, don't you think if someone's floating 254 miles above the Earth, making money online, that you could do it too from wherever you were? So again, it's all about execution. Now, I know that this particular video is quite short, but I just want you to believe, and I need you to believe that you can do this. And the secret to actually getting things done is in the execution. If you want to make any amount of money online, you have to execute. Don't get stuck in paralysis of analysis, all right? Don't analyze everything, like crazy. Get out there and actually do something. It doesn't matter if you're doing a blog or a YouTube channel or anything like that. Just get out there and do it. Decide, this is what I'm going to do, and go do it. So, question of the day. What are you going to choose to do? And how are you going to execute? Leave a comment below and I'll try to respond to absolutely everybody's comments. So that's all I got for you today, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to hit subscribe and that little bell icon so that you get updates on when we release another video, which, by the way, is 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, coming out at 9 a.m. on each of those days. And don't forget to go ahead over to karmacashflow.com/community and join our free online community of other entrepreneurs building their online cash flow streams. So until next time, guys, remember, you're just one cash flow stream away from financial freedom. Take care, guys. Peace.